Okay, this is kind of going to be a after the fact video. I installed some lights on my Exmark Radius zero-turn lawnmower. This is considered commercial grade, however entry-level commercial grade. So, like anything I get, if I have a chance to accessorize it or do some improvements or make it more my own, I did. So one of the things I did was add some lights. I got a couple lights right here. I got a light right there up on top. I originally put them here on the sides. There's a bracket for the one, and put the other one on the other side. That's how I originally did it. So the lights would stick out on the side, and what ended up happening is the tree branches would hit it and make it bend and damage and all that stuff. So these were those lights on the side. That wasn't working. I was kind of afraid that would happen, and sure enough it did. What I ended up doing was, and again it's kind of after the fact, but I drilled a hole down here. I'm sorry, it goes over here. And again, you can't really see it, but I drilled a hole right underneath the battery. I had to take the battery out, the battery mechanism, and I had to take the wheel off to do this. So I drilled a hole there, ran the wiring through this pipe. I tried to do it from here first, however, I came up short, so I had to knock off a foot or two. So it came through that pipe, whole pipe, came down over here. You can't see it. Came out that hole. I put a little rubber grommet there, and then attached it to the two lights. And then over here, I added a switch, turned the lights on, and of course it's bright daylight, but that's what I got with that. So again, I understand this is after the fact, but I felt this was the best method, and I went hillbilly style and just used black electrical tape to secure it along the edge of the roll bar. And this I'm going to attach to the back of the seat to hold it in place. This is the relay for it. All this extra wire I just put in a pipe, covered it in black tape, just shoved it in that corner there, and ran the wires underneath this whole plastic thing, made sure nothing didn't interfere with anything. But yeah, that's the quick tour of how I put these lights on, and it worked pretty good. It took some time though. It took a little over an hour, especially the drilling and feeding the wire through the tube there. But now I have light.